Tired of dragging your laundry down 3 flights of stairs or wasting your hard-earned quarters at the local laundromat? We have put the top portable washing machines to the test to save your sanity, your back, and your budget. In this video, we are diving deep into the top portable washing machines available right now. We have rigorously tested these models to see how they handle everything from delicate fabrics to heavy denim. 7. Superday Portable Washing Machine. Its compact footprint and lightweight design seemed incredibly promising for anyone dealing with extremely limited square footage. Designed as a twin tub machine, it separates the washing and spinning functions into 2 distinct compartments. The manufacturer claims a total capacity of 17.6 pounds, split between the wash and spin tubs, which sounds generous on paper. It features straightforward rotary dials for the wash timer, wash selector, and spin timer, making the initial interface feel relatively user-friendly. During our practical testing, we loaded it with a typical week's worth of gym clothes and basic t-shirts to see how the motor handled a standard load. The washing agitation is surprisingly aggressive, which does a decent job of lifting surface dirt and sweat out of activewear. You can watch the water turn cloudy through the transparent lid, which is somewhat satisfying and gives you a visual confirmation that the machine is actually doing its job. However, the longer we used the Superday, the more the cracks in its design began to show, particularly when it came to the water management system. The inlet hoses provided in the box are incredibly thin and feel like an afterthought, making it difficult to get a secure seal on a standard bathroom sink faucet. We experienced constant dripping during the fill process, forcing us to abandon the hose entirely and manually fill the wash tub with a bucket, which completely defeats the purpose of an automated cleaning appliance. Moving clothes from the wash tub to the spin tub revealed another frustrating flaw in the Superday's construction. 6. Superdeal's Small Portable Washing Machine. This machine takes up almost no space at all, easily tucking away into a closet or the corner of a tiny bathroom. It boasts a 13-pound total capacity, with 8 pounds dedicated to the washing tub and 5 pounds for the spin dryer. For someone living alone in a studio apartment, these specs look like the perfect middle ground between space-saving design and practical laundry capacity. In our wash tests, the Superdeal machine proved capable of handling very small, lightweight loads like underwear, socks, and thin button-down shirts. The translucent blue casing allows you to monitor the water levels easily, and the control panel is stripped down to the absolute basics, making it foolproof to start a cycle. For incredibly light duty, the motor churns the water effectively enough to freshen up garments that aren't heavily soiled. Unfortunately, when we tried to push the machine to its advertised 8-pound wash limit, the motor immediately began to struggle and overheat. The pulsator at the bottom of the tub lacks the torque to turn heavier items like jeans or thick towels, resulting in clothes just sitting stationary in soapy water rather than actually getting scrubbed. Furthermore, the agitation pattern has a terrible habit of twisting long sleeves and pant legs together, leaving us with a giant tangled knot of wet fabric at the end of every cycle. The most glaring drawback we encountered during our testing was the machine's gravity-based drainage system. Because it lacks a built-in electric drain pump, the water will only flow out if the machine is elevated significantly higher than your shower drain or bucket. 5. Giantex Portable Mini Washing Machine. This model retains the classic twin tub design, but immediately feels like a much more substantial piece of equipment right out of the box. It offers a generous 17.6-pound total capacity, handling 11 pounds in the wash tub and 6.6 pounds in the spin dryer. The cabinet feels sturdier, the plastic is noticeably thicker, and the overall fit and finish give the impression of an appliance built to last through rigorous daily use. When we put the Giantex Mini through our testing protocols, the difference in the wash motor was night and day compared to the previous models. The 300-watt wash power aggressively circulated the water and detergent, effectively pulling tough stains out of our test garments without bogging down. We were able to wash a pair of jeans, several shirts, and undergarments all in one go, and the machine handled the weight distribution effortlessly, maintaining a consistent rhythm throughout the 15-minute wash timer. The spin dryer on this unit is where we really started to become impressed with the Giantex engineering. Operating at a high RPM, the 110-watt spin motor extracts a remarkable amount of water from the fabric. After a standard 5-minute spin cycle, our clothes emerged merely damp, drastically reducing the time needed on the drying rack. The spin tub is also surprisingly well balanced, operating with a low, manageable hum rather than the terrifying rattle we experienced with cheaper alternatives. Another major improvement is the inclusion of a much more reliable drainage tube and a built-in lint filter that actually works. During our tests with fuzzy sweaters and towels, the filter captured a substantial amount of debris, preventing the drain hose from clogging. 4. VCJ Portable Washing Machine. This twin-tub washer boasts a sleek, modern aesthetic with a sturdy blue and white casing that looks great in any bathroom or utility space. It matches the standard 17.6-pound total capacity, but utilizes its internal space incredibly well, featuring deep tubs that easily accommodate larger, bulkier items like light blankets and heavy winter sweaters. Our testing immediately highlighted the sheer power of the VCJ's dual-motor setup, which allows you to run the wash and spin cycles simultaneously. This is a massive time saver for anyone doing multiple loads back-to-back. We were able to wash a fresh batch of clothes while simultaneously spinning the previous load dry, cutting our total laundry time in half. The 280-watt wash motor is relentless, driving water through fabrics with a deep, penetrating force that easily tackles heavily soiled work clothes. What truly surprised us during the hands-on testing was how remarkably quiet the VCJ operates, even when fully loaded. The manufacturer has clearly invested in dampening the internal vibrations, resulting in a machine that won't disturb your neighbors if you decide to do a late-night wash in a thin-walled apartment. The dials are smooth and responsive, offering precise control over the wash and spin timers, as well as a dedicated setting for delicate fabrics. The spin dryer on the VCJ is exceptionally powerful, utilizing a stainless steel inner cylinder that feels highly premium and resists rust and hard water buildup over time. Clothes placed in the spinner are pinned firmly against the drum, and the water extraction is so efficient that lightweight athletic wear comes out feeling practically dry to the touch. The included safety cover for the spin tub ensures that clothes stay safely tucked away and don't fly out during the high-speed rotation. 3. Giantex Portable Washing Machine. This model takes everything great about their mini version and supersizes the internal components for a truly heavy-duty washing experience. With an impressive 20-pound total capacity, this machine is inching closer to the capabilities of a permanent traditional washing machine, making it ideal for couples or small families living in tight quarters. During our rigorous testing phase, this Giantex model proved it could handle serious laundry volume. We confidently loaded it with full-sized bath towels and heavy denim jeans, and the 300-watt wash motor didn't hesitate for a second. The bottom pulsator is designed with unique ridges that create a powerful multi-directional water flow, which prevents clothes from tangling together while ensuring detergent is evenly distributed through every fiber of the load. The ease of use on this machine is fantastic, thanks to the clearly labeled ergonomic control panel and the highly effective built-in drain pump. Unlike the gravity drain models that require elevation, the Giantex utilizes an electric pump to push dirty water up and out of the machine, meaning you can easily drain it directly into a standard bathroom sink or elevated tub. This single feature drastically reduces the physical labor involved in portable laundry and makes the entire process incredibly smooth. The 8-pound capacity spin tub is equally impressive, offering enough space to dry half of a massive wash load in a single go. The high-speed rotation is incredibly stable, supported by a heavy-duty base that keeps the machine firmly planted on the floor. Even when spinning heavy, wet jeans, the machine remains balanced and remarkably quiet, ensuring that water is violently extracted and sent straight out the drain hose. 2. Auertech Portable Washing Machine. If capacity is your primary concern, this machine is the answer. Boasting a massive 28-pound total capacity with an 18-pound wash tub and a 10-pound spin tub, this is one of the largest portable twin-tub washers on the market. It is physically larger than our previous entries, but the trade-off in laundry volume is more than worth the extra floor space. When we put the Auertech to the test, we didn't hold back. We threw in a queen-sized bedsheet set, multiple pillowcases, and several heavy bath towels all at once. The Auertech swallowed the load effortlessly. The massive wash tub allows clothes to move freely, which is crucial for a deep, thorough clean. The sheer agitation power generated by the oversized motor is incredible, lifting deep-set stains and grime with the efficiency of a high-end, full-sized appliance. Despite its massive power, the Auertech remains incredibly intuitive to operate. The top panel features 3 simple, heavy-duty dials that control the wash time, wash mode, and menu programming, and spin time. The inclusion of a dedicated gentle wash mode is a fantastic touch, allowing you to safely wash delicate items without worrying about the powerful motor stretching or tearing the fabrics. The build quality of the chassis is exceptionally rigid, completely eliminating any chassis flex when the tubs are fully loaded with water. The drain pump on the Auertech is by far the strongest we tested in the twin tub category. It forcefully expels water at a rapid rate, clearing the massive 18-pound wash tub in a matter of seconds. The spin tub is equally cavernous, easily accommodating bulky items like winter coats or small duvets. One, Giantex Full Automatic Washing Machine. If you want the ultimate hands-off laundry experience without the need for a 220-volt outlet or specialized plumbing, this machine is an absolute game changer. Unlike the twin tub models that require you to manually transfer wet, heavy clothes from one side to the other, this single tub, fully automatic washer handles the entire wash, rinse, and spin process completely on its own, just like a traditional washing machine. During our testing, the convenience of the Giantex Full Automatic was undeniable. You simply load your clothes, add detergent, select your cycle on the sleek digital control panel, and walk away. The machine features 10 distinct wash programs and 8 water level selections, giving you precise, customized control over every single load. Whether you are doing a quick wash for lightly soiled gym clothes or a heavy-duty soak for stained workwear, the digital interface handles the timing and water management perfectly. The performance of this machine is nothing short of spectacular. The stainless steel honeycomb drum is exceptionally gentle on fabrics while providing a deep, aggressive clean. It features an automatic unbalance detection system, meaning if your load shifts to one side during the spin cycle, the machine will automatically inject water, redistribute the clothes, and resume spinning. This intelligent feature completely eliminates the terrifying banging and vibrating associated with cheaper portable machines. Installation and setup are incredibly straightforward. The machine comes with a quick connect adapter that snaps directly onto your standard kitchen or bathroom faucet, and the powerful built-in drain pump easily pushes the wastewater right into the sink.